In this video, I will show you how to fix when the support groups are not being correctly reflected on the user form. The group list on the user record doesn't match the same as the user's support groups on the CTM people record. This can be caused by many external causes, such as data migrations or data corruptions during bulk jobs. There is no known issue with Helix ITSM workflow where this could happen through organic means. Based on the quantity of impacted users, there are two workarounds which can help to fix this issue. If this is a single or a small number of users, then follow these steps. From Developer Studio, we need to open the form CTM People Permissions Groups in base development mode. Now we need to go to the form menu and select Add Remove Fields in View. On this window, we need to look for the C1D action field and pass this to the field in view list using the Add button. Click OK, and now the field will be visible on the form. Do a flush cache of the system. Now you need to open the CTM People Permission Groups form using mid-tier. Perform a search on the form where remedy login ID is equal to the impacted user login ID. Update the value of C1D action field to start and save the record. If this is many or a majority of the users, then follow these steps. Using Developer Studio, create an escalation AR object. Associate this escalation to the CTM People Permission Groups form. Set this escalation to disable as you don't want it to run often, and assign it to an unused pool. In Helix SaaS, this should be pool 15 or 16. Since this should always remain disabled, an interval of 30 days can be used. A run-if qualification of status equals to enable is usually sufficient to only get a current records. Create a set field if action against current transaction. And set C1D action equal to start. Save the escalation and give it an appropriate name. Run this escalation in Developer Studio. Please note, If make C1D action field visible in view is not an option for your system, then you need to follow the major or majority of the users method. But realize this will take much longer than the individual users, as running the escalation will take a while to process, and thus modify both user data and CTM people permission groups, which is used for RLS settings for different records. Before doing this, realize the impact it might have in your data and take a full database backup. Also, realize that while it is running, your admin thread will be busy. So admin operations like using Developer Studio will either be slow or will be entirely unusable. Thank you for watching this video. For more videos, please subscribe to our YouTube channel